guys, it's Beezer Films and my brother here, and today we're making a chocolate mud cake. Okay, so the first step is a 1/4 cup of flour. And we're putting it in a bowl first, then we're going to put it in a bowl. Okay. Add 1/4 cup of sugar. This is 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Now, add 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. Wait, no, baking soda.
No, it's baking powder.
I mean baking powder.
There's a bit of a spill, but we're supposed to put 1/8.
Yeah, and there's a bit of a freak out too.
Next is 3 tablespoons of milk.
Add 2 tablespoons of canola oil, but we did that off camera.
Next is 1 tablespoon of water. The last thing in this mixture, oh my god. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Okay, so now we're gonna mix it, and here we go. This is what it looks like about midway.
This is it finally done, and
Now we have to put it in. Now we have to put it in the microwave.
so basically, since we had a bunch of salt, we added a little bit more sugar so that we balanced each other out. Now we're pouring it into our microwave safe mug. And then after this, we'll have to put it in the microwave. This is what it looks like. Now time to put it in the microwave. Now in the microwave, we have to do it for 1:45, but we don't have that, so we're just doing it in 50.
It's currently baking.
Granny! Oh my gosh. Okay, now it's time to open it. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, ooh. It looks interesting. It always.
Okay, so we just tried it, and that salt spill that my brother had was not good because now it tastes like really salty. It would have probably been good if it wasn't so salty, but it's really salty.
I think it's like a 6.5.
I'm giving it like a 4. It's just way too salty. I don't know why we're still eating. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.